Start the notcher. Again, we're going to cut this line, all four corners. You can do it on this side or this side. It really doesn't matter. But make sure you're not using the marker line. Make sure you're using the lines that you scratched. All right. There's one. Again, I can do it on this side. There's two. Three. Right there. Okay, so that's the first step. Second step is to notch this piece out, and for this one we have to use the point of the blade. So I'm going to put my piece of metal in like this and line up like that, and we've notched this piece out. Do not cut your tab off. If you come over here with the notcher and cut that piece off, your tab is gone. If you do, I can show you how to fix it. We can make a little band-aid patch for it, but please take your time, pay close attention to the lines, and don't cut your tab off. Now watch, I probably jinxed myself, and I'll do it myself. I'm going to cut the tab off in the demo here, so we'll be extra careful. Make sure I'm paying very close attention. So on this one, I'm lining up the line this way, and the point with that corner right there. And the last one goes right in there. Whew! I did it without cutting any of the tabs off. Last thing to cut, those four little pieces, but again for that we do need the aviation snips. So with the aviation snips, remember these black bladed ones, no good. Color of the handle has nothing to do with it. For this short little cut you can use yellow, green, red, doesn't matter. The black blades do not work very good. So I grabbed these. These have the silver blade, green handle again. Doesn't matter a whole lot for these shortcuts. So I'm going to, just like scissors, get it lined up, make sure my fingers are nowhere near there. I'm going to cut it, and then so it doesn't fit real well like this, but I can just flip them over for what we're doing. And I'm going to cut that, if I can get her in there, like that. Okay, it might not cut it all the way, so you can get another little nibble at it on both of those. Or your other option is to just grab it like this and metal fatigue that piece off. This is very sharp, so when you're finished, you're going to very carefully pick these, all four of them up, and go put them in the metal recycle can. Don't sweep your hand across the table, because if that sticks on something, it's going to stab into you and it's going to hurt. Okay? Now, one thing that these have a tendency to twist when you're cutting, and you'll see it doesn't do anything. So when we're cutting, we want to make sure they stay straight up and down, and even cut just a hair past where your line is. If you do that, cut just a little further, it just falls right out. Two more to go. Again, making sure your fingers are well away underneath. They're not near the blades. This one's going to bend. So I'm going to try flipping it over here. Try this way. That one went a little cattywampus. It's stuck in there. There we go. One more. Ooh, got a little deep on that one. That's okay though. All right, so like I said, we're gonna take care of these sharp pieces and we're ready to bend. Let's get over to the brake.